Hey there! Hitting 40? No worries. Today, I'm going to cover the only 5 exercises you need to stay fit, strong, and energized. As we age, our bodies undergo various changes. Muscle mass decreases, metabolism slows down, and joint flexibility can diminish. But don't worry, the right exercises can counteract these changes and keep you feeling younger, healthier, and more active than ever. Let's get started. First up, squats. Squats are a powerhouse exercise that targets multiple muscle groups, including your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. They strengthen your legs, improve balance, and keep your joints healthy. Aim for 10 to 15 reps daily. If you're new to squats, start with a chair behind you for support and gradually work your way to deeper squats. Next, planks. This simple yet effective move builds core strength and improves posture. A strong core is essential for overall stability and can help prevent back pain. Start with 30 seconds and work your way up to a minute or more. Remember to keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, and don't let your hips sag. Push-ups are a must. They work your chest, arms, and shoulders, keeping your upper body strong and toned. If traditional push-ups are too challenging, start with modified push-ups on your knees or against a wall. Gradually build up to full push-ups as your strength improves. Now let's talk about lunges. Lunges improve leg strength, flexibility, and stability, which is essential for staying active as you age. They target your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, and also engage your core for balance. Aim for 10 to 15 reps on each leg. If you have knee issues, try reverse lunges or stationary lunges to reduce strain. Finally, stretching. Stretching helps prevent injuries, improves flexibility, and keeps you feeling great every day. Focus on major muscle groups like your legs, back, and shoulders. Hold each stretch for at least 20 to 30 seconds, and remember to breathe deeply. Incorporate stretching into your daily routine, especially after workouts, to maintain flexibility and reduce muscle stiffness. Stay consistent with these exercises, and you'll feel stronger and more energized every day. Consistency is key to reaping the benefits of any fitness routine. Set realistic goals, track your progress, and celebrate your achievements along the way. Remember, it's never too late to start, and every little bit counts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tips. Your support helps us create more content to keep you motivated and informed. Thanks for watching, and stay active.